guys, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. Very recently I asked you guys on my community post what you want to watch next, and most of you wanted to watch the face-off between a hair straightening brush and my hair iron. So here it is. I'm finally sitting down and shooting that video for you guys. But it's important for me to also give you guys a sneak peek into my hair care routine, because the result that you will see obviously depends on the type of hair that I have and the hair care routine that I follow. So it will vary from person to person, which is why I do want to show you guys my hair care routine before I jump into the face off. If you guys have watched my how I style my frizzy hair video, in case you haven't, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. I reviewed the BioLarge Smooth Proof Serum in that. In fact, I kicked off my hashtag Ishita reviews with that video. So I reviewed the BioLarge Smooth Proof Serum and the entire range. And despite having tried out several hair care products, in fact, I've reviewed so many on my channel myself, I always find myself reaching out for this range. Very recently, BioLarge has also added the deep treatment pack in this range as well, and I have been using it for the past couple of weeks and I have been going crazy gaga over it. This is packed with superfoods. It's got camellia, castor oil, which is super nourishing and moisturizing for your hair, especially if you have dry, damaged or frizzy hair like I do. These packs in fact have 90% more care ingredients than a regular conditioner, and they're way more nourishing than a regular conditioner in fact. And I genuinely feel like this is a product that our hair segment was missing out all this while. This comes in 3 different variants. This is the BioLarge Smooth Proof one, and they also have Hydro Source and the Color Last one. So you have to pick the one that is suitable for your hair type. If you have something like my hair, this is frizzy, dry and a little damaged because of all the heat that I use all the time. So this is the one that I've been loving, and if you want to pick this up, I'm obviously going to leave the link in the description box. But before I jump right into the face off, I quickly want to show you guys how I use this and give you guys an overview of my hair care routine. I've just shampooed my hair with the BioLarge shampoo and rinsed it off, and I've squeezed out all the excess water as well, so that's what you gotta do. I suggest using products from the same range. I've squeezed out all the excess water, and the first step that you have to do now is section your hair. Depending on your hair length and hair volume, 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 sections should be good enough. Step 2 is to twist your hair and apply the pack so that it spreads evenly across your entire hair. And step 3 is to infuse. So you gotta let the product stay on your hair for 3 minutes so that it penetrates deeper into your hair strand, and then rinse it off. Even though I wish I could use this product literally every single day because it makes your hair so soft, an ideal number would be once a week. This honestly makes your hair super soft and nourished in just 3 minutes. This comes for 350 rupees, a pack of 100 ml, and trust me, it has the highest concentration of caring ingredients which your hair needs. So I'm going to drop the link in the description box in case you guys want to pick it up. So this is my completely dried hair. I have done a middle parting, sectioned my hair into 2 parts for the face off. The left side I'm going to do with the hair iron, and the right side will be with the hair straightening brush. I am going to basically do the judgment and the face off on 3 bases. Number 1 is how much time each side takes. Number 2 would be how user friendly or how functional it is to use. And number 3 would be the final result and how each of them look, how different, or do they look different at all or not. So let's get started with the left side with the hair iron. So I'm done with the left side with the hair iron, and it took me about 3 minutes 55 seconds to do it. I'm pretty used to using the hair iron on a regular basis, so it seemed pretty comfortable to me. Now let's move on to the second side and use the hair straightening brush. So I'm now done with both the sides, and personally I don't see much difference at all between the two. The only difference that I see is that the left side is a little bit more pokery straight as compared to the right side. This feels more naturally blow-dried straight, and this one seems a little more poker straight. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you really see a huge difference. However, let's judge them on the 3 criteria that I told you guys about earlier. Number 1 being how much time each side took. The left side took me about 3 minutes 50 seconds like I told you guys earlier, but surprisingly the right side took me only 2 minutes 28 seconds, which of course is a win for the hair straightening brush. Moving on to the next criteria, which was the user friendliness or how functional each gadget is. The iron rod is definitely lighter and it's easier to carry around, it's sleeker. The straightening brush is slightly bulkier, so maybe not as portable as the iron rod. Otherwise, in terms of using and how you can use it, both of them I think were equally easy to use. With the iron, however, you have to take thinner strands of hair in thinner sections to make sure you like really straighten each and every strand of your hair. But with the hairbrush, you can literally just pick up a bunch of your hair and straighten it very easily. And the last criteria was the final result. And if you like more of poker straight hair, I suggest go for the hair iron, because you can literally see it makes the hair way more sleeker. On the other hand, if you like the more natural and blow-dried look, then I would suggest the straightening brush for you. Overall, I think both of them have their own pros and cons, so ultimately it comes down to personal choice. I personally like using both depending on my mood. So in case you guys are confused about which one to go for, basis on the 3 criteria, just see what is more important to you and go for that. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little face-off between the straightening iron and my straightening hairbrush, and I hope this gave you guys a little information and helped you decide what you want to pick out for yourself. And in case you guys want to pick up the deep treatment packs, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you guys to check out and buy from there if you want to. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. I'm going to sign off and I will see you guys in my next video.